Hi there, it's Lynnea for LDRS Creative, and today I'm going to be using some products from their latest Open Hearts Valentine's release. So I'm starting off here with the Stitched Hearts die set, and this is a stacking die set, and I love this heart shape because it's not the traditional heart shape that kind of is like a circle. These are more wide than they are tall. And these dies leave the stitching on both the positive and negative portions of the die. So you can see here, I die cut them from a piece of A2 size cardstock, and the dies left the stitching around the outside on that piece of cardstock. But up in the corner there, and you're going to see me in a minute, I'll show you, it also die cuts some stitched heart shapes. So I arranged all three of these dies on a piece of cardstock, and I die cut them. And then I laid that piece of cardstock back over top, and I just kind of traced those heart shapes. I'm going to be doing some ink blending. So I drew very lightly with my pencil at first, and then I went in kind of around them with a darker color and erased that original pencil line, because when you ink blend over pencil, the pencil will get trapped underneath and you'll be able to see that pencil line, and I didn't want that to happen. So I'm going to blend on a rainbow of LDRS Creative Inks. I started with Lipstick Jungle, then In Your Face Orange, Dandelion, Key Lime Pie, Bali Blue, and Plum Crazy. And I did both the background piece as well as the actual positive die cut heart shapes. So I'm going to get a 2-for-1 card deal, and you guys know that I love being able to create 2 cards out of just one background. So here I have the Love Stack stamp set. This is a set of sentiments that is all on one 4x4 stamp set, so you can easily stamp all of these sentiments together. And then there is a coordinating die, and it cuts out all of these sentiments all at once. It's super, super easy. All you need to do is just line up those little squares on the left and the right. There's 4 squares total. Line them up with the die, and then tack that in place and run it through your die cutting machine. And just like that, you're going to have all these little sentiment strips with a perfect flag edge. That's how I love to do my sentiments anyway, so these are just perfect. I'm going to choose 2 sentiments that are perfect for Valentine's Day. I have To My One and Only and Love You Forever and Always, and those are going to be my sentiments for my 2 cards. I thought that I would leave them just as the rainbow ink blending and the sentiment strip, but I was looking at the Panda Play stamp set, and I just thought that these little panda images are so cute. So I decided to add one onto each card. And I'm going to layer the sentiment strip behind the little panda so that only one edge of the flagged edge is going to be showing. I used a piece of tape just to hold everything together while I added some foam squares to the back. And that way I can make sure that my placement is just how I originally wanted it, and I don't have to mess with that again. Then I'll just add those down onto my card bases and add a little bit of clear glitter for some shimmer and shine. And that's going to finish these 2 quick Valentine's Day cards. I hope you enjoyed and that you are inspired, and I'll see you next time. Bye!